In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a lot of sales page templates inside System.io that you can use to start your journey selling digital products or services online. Before you buy any template from anybody, I really encourage you to just go through the process I'm about to show you and find, because System.io provides literally hundreds of templates for you to pick from and get started. These templates are available for sales pages, for order forms, checkout pages, list builders, thank you pages, and more. So basically, you're going to go to sites, you're going to click on sales funnels, then you're going to click on create. Then you're going to just give it a name. Let's call template for demonstration purposes. And then what you're going to do is you could do custom, you could do sell, doesn't really matter. You could just start with custom. If you have a domain name connected, great, pick one. If you haven't, just use the domain, the subdomain, whatever it is, .system.io. Choose your currency, what currency you're going to charge money in. Click on save. Now you will see that you have now blank pages right here. Now you're going to click on step. Now let's say you're going to want to sell something. So if you want to sell something, I actually collect payments, then you're going to choose order form. And we'll label this order form or checkout page. It's the same thing. You're going to click on save. And then you will see you will have a lot of different templates that you can have a look. You can click here to open in a new tab to see what it's going to look like. And where you're happy with it, you simply click on it and it will give you the template. Then you can go to the edit page and you can see the template that you basically chose. And there's probably dozens and dozens of templates on these pages. Okay, so there's no shortage. You can just browse through. Now, this is where you actually collect the payment. Let's say you want to actually sell, i.e. give information on why people should buy from you. You can also use the order form if it's you want to do everything on the one page. But if you're selling a more expensive product, you may want to use a sales page independently. So you're going to click on sales page. You're going to choose sales page. You're going to give it a name. Click on save, and then you will see there's a lot of different templates. Now you can scroll down and click on 30, and you can see that there's even more templates, and you can just pick any one of these and play around with it, basically. Okay. Once you've chosen a template, let's just pick this one. If you're not happy with the template, then you can just click on change page template. But note that when you change the template, you're going to basically delete everything that you've already worked on. So don't change template in the middle of a project, only do it at the very beginning if you're not happy with it. So when you click on confirm, it will take you back here. You can keep on looking through, scrolling through all the pages, click on next, and you will find something that works. So let's say we pick this one, and then you click on edit page, and then you will see the template that you got here, and you can start customizing things. So let's say we've got this image, you want to customize that, you would click here, you would click here, you would upload the image, and you will just play around and customize everything. So that's how you get templates inside System.io. There's other template and pages types. So for example, you got upsell, you've got downsell. These pages only come after an order form. Thank you page in the sales section is the page that you put after somebody actually makes a purchase from you. So you always want to have that. If you want to build an email list, then you would choose opt-in page. So again, you're going to call this landing page, choose template, click on save, and then you can see there's a lot of different landing page. Click on 30, and then you'll see even more. There's probably 20, 30. I really like this one, for example. So you can kind of play around with what's here. And here's a really nice one as well. Again, click on edit page, and you can customize what's here. In addition to the templates that System.io provides, there is also a way to create custom templates using AI, and using AI to create pages that work in System.io. You can check out this YouTube video that you're seeing right here. It will be linked somewhere around here, and you could go through that and see how you can save yourself a lot of time, because honestly, using the page editor for any platform these days is becoming more and more obsolete, and using AI is absolutely the way to go. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Speak to you soon. Cheers.